Hello, we're going to look at how to navigate Edgenuity. So the first thing I'm going to do from the student view is I'm going to click right here in yellow where it says BVA Mathematics. And once I click on that, I'm going to click on the course map right down here. When I click on the course map, the first thing it's going to do is take me to instruction. So if I click on instruction, it's going to take me to my lesson. And here it's going to allow me to complete my lesson. Now I'm going to go back and show you another view. The other thing that I can do is I can click right here to next activity. And it will always take me to the next activity, which will allow me to navigate the course. One other thing I can do is that by clicking on a lesson, when I am finished a lesson, if you look here, when I finish the lesson, I type my answer in this box, and when I'm done, it allows me right over here to go to my next lesson only after I'm actually completed this lesson. If I need to go to a previous lesson, I can click here on the previous lesson. So this is a basic navigation of your lesson, and when you're finished, always remember to click Done before you go to the next activity. This next activity block will become active when you're actually finished a lesson. So this is a basic navigation of Edgenuity.